What's up, guys? Welcome to another episode of DailyGray. So, yesterday, Rue went to her new home, her forever home. All being well. Whoa. Now, yesterday also, me and JC went to pick up Raven. Raven, say hi, bud. Whoa. So now we have Raven, who is not the most social dog in the world, who has zero training. We'll see how she gets on. It's just going to be one of them games of train and see where she ends up. I don't know what the plan is for her right now. The plan always when we get new dogs in to train is train as far as they want to train. Like, if she wants to be a PP dog, she can be a PP dog. If she wants to be a GP dog, she can be a GP dog. If she wants to be a sport dog, she can be a sport dog. Basically, if you listen to the dog, they'll tell you what they want to do, what they need to do with their life. She's absolutely not suitable for a normal pet home, just chilling on the sofa and stuff. Way too much drive. We'll see how she gets on. Come on, bud. Job 2 of the day is to exercise dogs here. Now that is currently Raven, who won't be getting exercise today because she's brand new. She just came out for a paddle. I'm going to let her settle. She's naturally rather stressed. Kash, sis. Kash, who's out now? Kash is one of my board and trained dogs. And then Khaleesi and Flak. Because Rue has gone to her new home. I'm going to miss that dog. Very good dog. Right, let's exercise Kashmeister. Client's done for the day. Another day done. Training my 2 now. Kash was run this morning. Raven's been out today. Raven was out again after my client. I didn't film it, she's just mooching around, there's nothing to film. Now, Flak, I'm going to try and teach him a bit of box work. See how that goes again. And then Khaleesi back out. I'm going to do some article search, so I'm not going to bother filming that because it's pointless, isn't it? It's not exciting to watch. I mean, after this vlog, if you want me to film more article search work, let me know. I can film it, it's not a problem. It's just a bit fucking boring, isn't it? But I don't know if I just find it boring because I don't really like it. Which is why I'm doing it today, because I don't want to do it. So my rule in all dog training is whenever you don't want to do something, that's exactly when you should do it. So whenever I think I absolutely don't want to do that, that's exactly what I need to be doing. And that goes for business and life and everything. Good boy, Kash. Good lad. Kash is in there. So I'm going to work Khaleesi, work Flak, work Khaleesi, clean all the kennels, and then when it cools down a bit, I'm going to exercise all the dogs. All 4 of them. Because it's better. Because why not? Right, Flak, let's get it done. This is another good quick lesson as well. A la Flak there. Hello, William. I don't know if you can see him. Of course, as you can see, he's completely uninterested in the horse and just wants to go and train. Let's go and train, Flak Bar. Right, there's a prime example of why you shouldn't ever let a bad session stop you training. Those that watch my vlogs regularly will have seen that the other day, me and Flak had such a bad session that I was like, I couldn't even film anything. It's not that I didn't want to film it, it's that there was nothing to film because it was that bad. However, as you've just seen in that clip, banging, learnt really well. Sometimes dogs learn really well and sometimes they just don't. It's just the nature of the game. The reason I'm walking around my arena is because I'm looking for my flirt pole. I think it's in here, but I may be mistaken. I think I'm mistaken. We'll find out when I get Khaleesi over. Right, time to do some article searches. Yeah, so don't let one bad session fuck you off. Oh, there it is. You know, make you stop training. What's the point? It happens. We all have them, and it annoys me that more trainers don't speak about this. We all have bad days. We all have bad sessions. Dogs are not perfect, they're not robots. Sometimes they're just not doing very well. Sometimes they do brilliantly. Sometimes it feels really good, sometimes it feels horrendous. And there's everything in between. Most sessions are just okay. Most sessions are just fine. Right, article search. What I have today, 1 key. 2 keys. And a watch clasp. So that's what we're doing. Kash, lie down, be quiet. Noisy bugger. Let's get Khaleesi out, see how this goes. I'm not going to film this again because it's boring as fuck. But if you want more article search stuff filming, then let me know. Let me know and we can do it. It's not a problem. One more fun fact before I start. You need to look at your dog's patterns in training. Khaleesi, get done. Because Khaleesi's got a really bad habit. As soon as I do search work, she wants to shit in a piss. So what I do, now I've realised what the pattern is, I take her for a piss and a shit before we start search work. Come on, get done. Get done. So now she should pee and poo. She's just peed. Now she should poo. Just because I'm just noting this pattern. As soon as I tell her zook, she'll start pissing and shitting all over the arena or all over the field or wherever we're searching. Khaleesi, get done. She's not really with it. She's being a bit shitty. This might not be a very good session. Right, is that done? That was average. It was nothing special. It was nothing horrific. It's what it is. And I need to eat, sort the yard out, clean the kennels, exercise Kash, exercise Raven. I don't know how much more of today I'm going to vlog because my phone's about to die. So I need to leave it on charge, but I've got 1,000,001 things to do, so I can't sit and wait for it to charge and then film after. Right, it's now nearly 9 o'clock. And as you can see, we still have light, which is banging. I'm going to come and do one more session with the dogs and then call it a day. Come, get them. Good. What was I saying? I'm going to do another article search with Khaleesi because the last one wasn't great. Hopefully this one's better. Going to run Kash. Going to get Raven out again. I'm going to run Flak. They've all eaten. They all ate nearly 2 hours ago, so we're good to go. Woohoo! 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 Push. Push. Off. Off. I'm going to go and lay these. I'm going to lay one there in the ready bit. I'm going to lay one there in the pinky bit. I'm going to lay one here in the black bit. See how this goes. exceptionally well. Right, time for Kash. Not going to film anything else after this today. Hey, William. Good boy. You're still a bit nervy, aren't you, bud? Still a bit nervy. You're a good boy. Boy, good William. I'm not going to film anything else after this clip today. I'll continue tomorrow. Just because all I'm doing is throwing a ball for Kash and throwing a ball for Flak. And that's boring as all billy-o. So, let's get on with this. Next day. Beautiful day. Step one of the day. Well, step one of the day was get Raven out for a pee. Because she's currently residing in the van. Because she was in kennels. And kennels stress her. Morning, Kashi. So she's residing in the van. So every morning and every night, obviously, I have to get her out for a pee and a poo. But she's good. I'm going to start introducing a little bit of training to her today. Because this is now day 2 or 3. She's chilled out loads. We're friends now. She's not trying to eat me anymore. So yeah, that's on the agenda. Morning, William. Morning, William. Hi. Stop being knackered. Got a neck rub. Oh, that's the ticket, isn't it? That's the ticket. Right, Kash, let's go. Right, end of the day. Good session with Shane. We worked Flak as well, but forgot to film it. Just one of the things. I am now out with a Raven, who is going for a pee, and then getting fed. So today I've worked Kash, I've worked Raven, I've worked Khaleesi twice, I've worked Flak, I've run Kash, I've run Raven. Raven's now on a pee break. We worked Bruce, and good girl, you done? I'm just giving her a head. She did a quick session earlier. I didn't film it. It's extremely good girl. It's extremely growing. Sit! Hey, hey, hey. Raven, sit. Sit. Sit! Raven, sit. Good. Go on. It's extremely boring, the early phases of dog training. And Raven's grass green, so nothing interesting. Now I'm going to feed them and clean the kennels. So I'm going to wrap it up. Question of the day. What have you trained today? What have you been working on?